Welcome to the Rockefeller tree lighting of the Everglades Trailer Park. Barb here. I want to share with you my DIY and how I did my vision board. Where did I put it? On my tree. Now my Darnell says to me, Mama, you ain't got nothing on the tree represent my culture. I says, honey, I ain't no dick to the tater. You put whatever you want on the tree. And I'll be damned. He saved his very last fried chicken tender from Popeyes and he turned it into an ornament. Take a look at this. Talk about creativity. Love it. Beautiful. Although I said, Darnell is starting to smell. It's been 4 days. I don't want to get maggots. You got to take it down. He got so mad, he ran to his Mazda and he slept in it overnight. Baby. Now I was inspired by my Darnell. And I says, you know what? I too want to put something on our tree that represents my culture. And my culture, well, they love avocados. So I put an avocado on the tree. Yes, it's beautiful. You see, it's real. Okay, people? Don't be fooled. And it's also part of my vision board. Because if you have this on the tree, maybe the tree turns into avocado tree. Okay? And, maybe there's a way. It's, after all, they'll both be trees. Maybe there's a way. And stranger things have happened. Okay? Jeffrey Epstein killed himself at like 4 feet tall. How they accomplish that? It's amazing. Isn't he like 5'9" or something? So yeah. Again, you gotta be the cause for change. You gotta dream it to achieve it. Now, we don't discriminate in this family. So this year, we added a Jew to the tree. Yeah. It reminds me of a woman that lives in my trailer park. Her name is Snow Kite. Yeah, you heard me. Snow Kite, like the kind you fly up in the park, It's an original name, very unique. And she lives with 7 of them. 8 people living in the trailer. Can you even imagine? Cheap coin clippers. Anyways, put a cross, nearby, because you've got duality, you've got lightness, and you've got darkness, and it'll cancel out any nearby paganism, okay? Yes, now I aspire to retire in Palm Springs. I love my gays, and I love the weather. I also aspire to one day have a home, a house that's in the ground with a red door, because that, right there, that means you paid off your mortgage. Yeah. And happy with my trailer. Darnell and I, this year, we painted our trailer blue. Therefore, we painted our ornament, okay? Now, I also aspire to one day, believe it or not, be a caddy. It sounds like fun to me, Sure beats the janitor work. And what else we got here? I want a pink scooter. A pink scooter. Look at that. He's beautiful, isn't he? Yeah. So one day I hope to have that. So this is all part of my vision board tree. Okay. Yeah. Hello there. Hi. Yeah. See him? He's cute, isn't he? I put him real close to said angel. Because he's always getting trouble in the hood. He's alligator. I live in Alligator Alley. So I did it for proximity. Maybe the angel rub off on him. Now, also for my DIYers out there, one of the beautiful things is when you run out of said ornaments, you add keychain. Nobody will know. This is a Darnell keychain. When he gets old enough, I take his hair and I put it inside. So cute. So cute. Also, water gun keychain. Talk about creativity. And coastal Christmas, for Florida, right? We got to have all that. Also, Darnell, I got him a gold watch. He says, Mama, get me gold watch. I says, anything for my baby. Facebook Marketplace, I can't get a better deal. And also, when you run out of money and you can't afford any more ornaments, what do? This is a good one, DIYers. You get $1 bills, okay? What are these, Jackson Holers or something? Look at this. And you line them up on your tree. I mean, it's beautiful. And then when you go take your tree down, it's fabulous. You have money to spend, okay? You don't even have to pack away ornaments. And for all you environmentalists, money comes from trees, okay? It's paper. So it's a beautiful, unanimous relationship between the fiat currency and the tree. Okay, so yeah, so again, those are DIYs, proprietary, from Barbasol. Alrighty, let's carry on, shall we? Everybody has got to have a pickle ornament. It's tradition. You hide it, and whoever finds it gets a couple bucks. All right? And if I give you a chuckle, and I tickle your pickle, or I leave you in stitches, by golly gee, drop your britches, 'cause I'd like to watch it grow. Abba, abba. I love that, don't you go stealing it. It's always a swooner at the holidays, you whip that one out. So anyways, moving on. Now, she is one of my favorite ornaments, okay? This is a Cynthia Bernstein design. She's a flying Barbasol discount shopper. Look at this. She's born to shop. She's got coupons. I mean, we've got scissors. It's discounts, coupons, and a one-day sale. And when finding a deal, Barbasol never does fail. Signing off.